Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a hamburger menu in Wix. If you're working on your Wix website and want to give it that sleek, modern look, then adding a hamburger menu is the way to go. It's an excellent way to keep your navigation clean and efficient, especially if you have many menu items or are designing a mobile-friendly site where space is limited. This is especially useful if you're trying to guide visitors smoothly toward key pages like your store, contact page, or featured collections. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open the Wix editor if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the Add Elements icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your gateway to a variety of design features you can incorporate into your site, from text and images to interactive elements like menus. Next, we'll need to find the menu options. In the panel that opens, look for the section labeled Menu and Anchor or Menu and Search. If you're using the Studio Editor version, give it a click and you'll see a list of different menu types that Wix offers, designed for different layouts and use cases. Among these options is the one we're after, Hamburger Menus. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. You'll see a selection of different styles and designs for hamburger menus, each offering a unique way to display your site's navigation, from minimal icons to more bold, animated designs. Now that we found our hamburger menu styles, it's time to add one to your page. Simply choose a style you like, click on it, and drag it onto your page. Feel free to adjust its position to find the perfect spot that complements your layout, such as the top corner of your header, where users naturally expect to find navigation. Once your hamburger menu is in place, it's time to customize it to better fit your needs and your site's personality. Start by double-clicking on the menu that you've just added. This will open its settings, where you can tailor it to suit your content and how visitors move through your site. To manage the items that appear in your menu, you'll want to click on Manage Menu. Here you can easily add, remove, or rename the items that visitors will see when they click on the hamburger icon. This is a great way to ensure your navigation is intuitive and directly aligned with your site's content, helping users quickly find what they're looking for. Finally, you'll want to click on Customize or Design, depending on the option available, to make further tweaks to the menu's appearance. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Adjust the icon style, switch up the colors, and even play around with the background to ensure everything matches your site's theme and brand identity for a consistent professional look. And there you have it, a fully functional, personalized hamburger menu for your Wix site. By following these steps, you have created an efficient and stylish navigation solution that enhances user experience, especially for visitors using mobile devices or smaller screens. Before you head out, if this tutorial helped you clean up your Wix navigation, give the video a quick like. It really helps the channel grow. If you want more step-by-step website tips, design tutorials, and practical guides like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. And if you have any questions or want to see a specific Wix feature covered, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.